Oh, you don't know how many times I done tried to film this video. I'm gonna just keep it 100. My mind, as far as my memory, is just like so blank these days. So I'm gonna read from my phone so I don't miss anything to share with you all. Now I'm going to show you all of the stuff that I received from pinchme.com, and just so you know, the membership is absolutely free and all of the samples that you receive is free. Now the difference between what I'm going to show you and what you guys will be receiving is that mine is like a blogger box, especially for bloggers, and the box that you guys will be receiving will just be a little bit smaller. So as I'm getting about, maybe I would say 15 samples or something like that, you'll be receiving maybe half of that, maybe around 7 samples or something like that. So just keep that in mind, so that when I show you stuff and then when you get your box, you're gonna be like, well, how come Donna got more stuff than me? That's why. So again, you guys, everything is absolutely free. Every month you get a bunch of new samples. Like, it's crazy how much stuff you get. You get a range from baby stuff, pet stuff. I've gotten stuff for Bella, Pookie. Like, it's crazy. I don't have no babies, so I didn't sign up for that. You get snacks, beauty items like lotions, and just really nice samples. And they're not like, you know, full-size samples or anything like that, but just so you can get a hang of it, get a little idea of what you might want from the stores. And it's a lot of the stuff is name brand, leading brands that you guys are familiar with, so it's nothing like too crazy. So another thing is, this is absolutely free to everybody in the United States. So if you are interested in signing up for pinchme.com to receive your free samples, click on the link down below in the description box and it'll take you right to it. Now I'm gonna show you what I received from Pinch Me, and I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm not even gonna lie, I opened the box. I opened it a few days ago because, you know, I'm nosy. I have to see what this is, and I love packages. If you guys didn't know, I love packages. So yeah, I couldn't wait for y'all. I'm sorry. So I already fumbled through it, but yeah. This is the box right here. I'm gonna shut up and just show y'all. This is the box right here. Of course, your box will probably be like a little green box or something like that, because I've been a member of Pinch Me for a few years. So yeah, I'm excited to share this blogger box with you all. So first thing that I'm pulling out is this welcome card. So you just get a welcome card and it tells you about everything. It tells you about their team and all that. So yeah, this is what the inside of my box looks like. So cute. And here is all of the samples that I'm about to show you all one by one. First thing first, I got these stickers. I was like, are those stickers? These are so cute. I love stickers. I could put them on my notebook. And yeah, a lot of them say girl power, Eva, New York City, babe, Brooklyn, hello, I'm from Brooklyn. So that's really cute. So yeah, it's just like a little sheet of stickers. Now the next thing, now I didn't go through all of this stuff. I did open it, but I didn't go through everything to be able to tell y'all. So I wanted it to be a little bit of a surprise. So this is a sample. It's called Compete, and it's cushioning, comfort, and confidence for blisters. So if you have like a blister on your foot or your ankle or whatever, like, you can use this. And yeah, it helps for that. Form-fitting, waterproof, active gel cushions. That's awesome. I used to get blisters. You know, guys, it's summer, or summer is approaching, and yeah, we wear those sandals that sometimes cut up our ankles or, you know, create blisters. So this is kind of perfect for that. Hopefully I don't get them, but if I do, I got this. I'm happy. All right, so the next sample is called Ester C Effervescent, the Better Vitamin C. Wow. Okay, so you just put this in your drink, and it's 24-hour immune support. Huh. Patented immune health formula, B vitamins to support energy. This is actually really, really good. I've seen this before, but not the Ester C brand. So I can't wait to try that, because you guys know, if you didn't know, I was on a hiatus for a really long time, and it's because I was sick and I really didn't have any energy. But again, if you guys want to know about my story, let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll get that story out for you guys. So the next thing I got is some ointment body spray. Yes, love it. I'm so sorry, y'all. This is why I do a lot of voiceovers, because I'm always being interrupted when I'm filming these type of videos. So as I was saying, they also sent something called Aquaphor ointment body spray. It says that it immediately soothes and relieves dry, rough skin all day, and it's easy to apply. Now this is a pretty good sample. This is cute. If I just want to throw it in my bag, it's absolutely perfect. So if you guys heard of Aquaphor, let me know if you used it before and how it worked. So the next thing I received was this native deodorant, and it's just a deodorant, and it says it's coconut and vanilla. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It's just like a solid roll up, but ooh, I can't wait to try this. Wow, if I like this, then I will be looking around to see where I can get it in the stores. So next up, they sent a bunch of like little snacks. So I'm just gonna take them all out of the box. Hopefully I'm not missing. Oh yeah, I am. Okay, hold on y'all, hold on. So I got a Ghirardelli milk chocolate. I know you guys heard of that. So those are delicious. Then I got something called Michel Augustine. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's just two cookie squares. This is from France. So I hope that my French speaking subscribers are not making fun of me on how I pronounce this, but I'm scrolling across the screen, so you guys tell me if I got it right. Let me know. And yeah, I received about, okay, I think I got 3 of those. So I got 2 cookie squares, and I got 2 cookie squares, and these 2 are filled with caramel. So just 2 regular cookie squares that's filled with dark chocolate, and these 2 are caramel. So can't wait to taste that. You guys know how I feel about my snacks. I love snacks. So the next thing I got is this Lumify. What is this? This is from Bausch & Lomb, and it's basically a solution. It works in 1 minute and it lasts up to 8 hours. This is for, I believe, contacts or dry eyes. So let me just open it and see, because I'm up here reading the box. And the box ain't telling me too much. So yeah, this is what it looks like, by the way. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's really cute. I do wear contacts, and I do suffer from dry eyes every now and then, but I don't think this is for contacts. I'm not quite sure. I don't know. I will freaking scroll it across the screen what exactly this is for. But I believe it's for dry eyes, because it says it works in 1 minute and it lasts up to 8 hours. Okay, so it's a redness reliever. That's all. Just to relieve your red eyes, which is perfect for this time of the year. This is like a nice spring summer box, you guys. This is actually perfect for this time of the year with allergy season and everything. So that's gonna come in handy for me. I'm just gonna throw it in my bag just in case. You just never know. The next thing I received is this Sheer Physical Daily Defense, and it has SPF 30 sunscreen in it, and it's basically a little sample of some lotion. This company is called Umbra. I've never heard of them before. Or Drunk Elephant. Yeah, I've never heard of this before, but it does have 20% zinc oxide in it. I'm not really a lotion person, but yeah, we're gonna try that out too. Another thing I'm just gonna throw in my bag, y'all. Oh, it came with, y'all heard of HelloFresh? So it came with a $50 gift card to HelloFresh, and it's $25 off your first 2 boxes. HelloFresh.com. So I thought that was kind of cool. You guys can't see because my light is washing out everything. But okay. And last but not least, in this box, I have a, what is this? This is 1 bag. It's a sample of their new Glad Febreze Freshness garbage bag. So it's for small cans, and it's a drawstring bag. So I got a sample of that. And again, it says it has Febreze on. It does smell really good. I can smell it through the box. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I have from pinchme.com. Again, all of this stuff is absolutely free. So if I were you, I would go click on that link down below in the description box. Check it out. Everything is free. Again, you guys, if I missed anything, let me know. Most likely I didn't. But yeah, if you're interested, click that link and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.